Slide 1, Title Slide. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am delighted to present to you our exploration into the intricate world of tissues in biology. Tissues, the building blocks of life, play a vital role in understanding the complexity of organisms, from humans to animals. They are fundamental to comprehending biological processes and functioning. Throughout this presentation, we will delve into the four main types of tissues: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissues. Together, these tissues create the foundation upon which life's processes are built. And today, I invite you to join me on this fascinating journey through the diverse and essential realm of tissues. Let's begin. Slide 2, Introduction to Tissues. Tissues, composed of specialized cells working harmoniously, are the focus of our exploration today. Histology, the study of tissues, allows us to grasp the intricacies of life at a cellular level. Understanding tissues is not only integral to biological research but also crucial in medical diagnostics and the development of innovative treatments. Tissues provide invaluable insights into the functioning of organisms, aiding in the pursuit of healthier lives. In the following slides, we will uncover the significance of epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissues. These tissues collaborate in ways that are both remarkable and essential, showcasing the brilliance of nature's design. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of tissues and appreciate the beauty of life's architecture at a microscopic level. Slide 3, Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues, the body's protective covering, are our first stop in this exploration. They line surfaces, organs, and cavities, safeguarding our bodies from external harm. In our journey, we will encounter various types of epithelial tissues, each uniquely adapted to its specific location and function. Simple and stratified epithelia, squamous, cuboidal, and columnar cells. These diverse forms illustrate nature's precision. These tissues serve as the body's frontline defense, offering protection, absorption, and secretion. From the skin to the digestive tract, epithelial tissues define our boundaries and enable essential functions. As we proceed, remember the significance of these tissues in maintaining our body's integrity and functionality. Their role is nothing short of remarkable. Slide 4, Connective tissue. Now, we venture into the world of connective tissues, the architectural framework of the body. These tissues provide support, bind organs together, and contribute to the body's structural integrity. Our exploration includes a diverse array of connective tissues: bones, cartilage, blood, and adipose tissue. Each type serves a unique purpose, from providing a solid framework in bones to ensuring our blood flows smoothly. Connective tissues play a vital role in cushioning, nourishing, and connecting various body parts. They form the backbone of our physical structure, quite literally. As we uncover the wonders of connective tissues, appreciate their role in maintaining our body's shape and functionality. Their presence is essential to our very existence. Slide 5, Muscle tissue. Let's embark on the exploration of muscle tissues, the engines of movement in our bodies. Muscle tissues are remarkable in their ability to contract and generate force, enabling us to perform a myriad of activities. Our investigation will unveil three types of muscle tissues: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles facilitate voluntary movements, while smooth muscles control involuntary functions, such as digestion. Cardiac muscles, found in the heart, power the circulatory system. These tissues are essential for our everyday activities, from walking to the beating of our hearts. Understanding muscle tissues illuminates the intricate choreography of motion within our bodies. As we delve deeper, appreciate the beauty of these tissues that grant us the power of movement, demonstrating nature's incredible design. Slide 6, Nervous tissue. Welcome to the realm of nervous tissues, the communication network of the body. Nervous tissues, consisting of neurons and glial cells, allow us to perceive the world, think, and coordinate complex activities. Neurons, the primary components of the nervous system, transmit signals, enabling our senses and thoughts. Glial cells provide essential support, ensuring the proper functioning of neurons. Together, they form an intricate web, allowing us to experience the world and respond to stimuli. The nervous system's complexity highlights the wonders of human cognition and interaction with our surroundings. Reflect on the significance of nervous tissues as we uncover their role in shaping our thoughts, emotions, and reactions. Their intricate design is key to our understanding of the human mind. Slide 7, Histology, Study of Tissues. Let's explore histology, the science of tissues, which allows us to delve into the microscopic world. Histological studies involve the examination of tissues under microscopes, unraveling the secrets of life at the cellular level. Histology plays a pivotal role in medical research, aiding in the diagnosis of diseases and the development of treatments. Researchers and healthcare professionals rely on histological insights to understand the nuances of various conditions. Techniques such as staining and microscopy reveal intricate details, paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries. Histology serves as a bridge between the visible and the unseen, enhancing our understanding of life's complexity. As we navigate this field, consider the impact of histology on medical advancements and its role in shaping our knowledge of the human body's inner workings. Slide 8, Tissue Regeneration and Repair. Tissue regeneration and repair are nature's mechanisms for healing and restoring damaged tissues. Understanding these processes illuminates the body's resilience and ability to recover from injuries. Different tissues possess varying regenerative capacities. While some tissues, like the liver, can regenerate extensively, others, like the heart, have limited regenerative abilities. Stem cells play a crucial role in regeneration, offering hope for future medical interventions. Explore the significance of tissue repair in the context of wound healing and recovery from diseases. Appreciate the body's innate ability to restore functionality, showcasing the marvel of biological adaptation. Reflect on the ongoing research in tissue regeneration, which holds promise for innovative medical therapies, potentially revolutionizing the way we approach injuries and diseases in the future. Slide 9, Tissue Disorders. Transitioning into the realm of tissue disorders, let's explore conditions that disrupt the harmony of tissues in the body. Tissue disorders, such as cancer and fibrosis, occur when normal tissue structure and function are compromised. These conditions often result from genetic mutations, environmental factors, or a combination of both. Consider the profound impact of tissue disorders on health, emphasizing the importance of ongoing research and advanced treatments to combat these diseases. Reflect on the current state of research, which offers hope for innovative therapies and a deeper understanding of tissue disorders, paving the way for improved patient outcomes. Slide 10, Conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude this illuminating journey through the world of tissues, I want to leave you with a profound thought. Within the seemingly ordinary cells of our bodies lies an extraordinary story of life, intricately woven together to form the essence of our existence. Today, we have explored the elegance of epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissues, each type with its unique tale to tell. Remember, these tissues are not just scientific wonders, they are the silent architects of our vitality, enabling every breath we take, every beat of our hearts, and every step we make. As we part ways, let us carry this newfound understanding with us. Let us marvel at the resilience of our bodies, the complexity of nature, and the endless possibilities that lie within the realm of biology. Our journey doesn't end here, it merely takes a pause. Armed with knowledge, curiosity, and a deeper appreciation for the microscopic world around us, we are empowered to explore further, question relentlessly, and embrace the wonders of life. Thank you for your attentive presence today. May you continue to be curious, may you continue to marvel at the intricacies of life, and may you continue to be inspired by the brilliance of tissues. Safe travels on your continued exploration of the remarkable world of biology. Thank you, and onwards to new horizons of discovery. Slide 11, References. As we conclude our presentation, I invite you to explore the wealth of knowledge that has contributed to our discussion today. The referenced sources encompass research articles, scientific journals, and authoritative texts, providing a comprehensive foundation for our exploration of tissues. Feel free to refer to these sources for further reading and in-depth understanding of the topics discussed. Knowledge is a continuous journey, and these references serve as valuable guides in your exploration of biology and tissues. Thank you for your attention and participation. I encourage you to continue your exploration of tissues, biology, and the marvels of the natural world. Have a wonderful day. Closing note. In the intricate tapestry of life, tissues are the threads that weave the story of our existence. As we stand on the brink of discovery, let us carry with us the awe-inspiring knowledge of these microscopic marvels. Remember, within every tissue lies a universe of possibilities, a testament to the brilliance of nature. Let our curiosity continue to fuel our quest for understanding, propelling us into a future where the mysteries of biology are unraveled and the boundaries of what's possible are pushed. Thank you for joining me on this illuminating journey. Together, let's venture forth, inspired by the wonders of tissues, and embark on new frontiers of knowledge. The adventure doesn't end here, it merely begins anew. Safe travels on your explorations, and may you always find fascination in the smallest details of life. Thank you, and onwards to the limitless horizons of discovery.